All right, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? My name is Dr. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University and the Forex Power Course and my market heat map. I'm glad to see you today. And we are going to go, we are live. And everything is making a lot of noises and stuff like that. So I'm glad to see you here. And we are live. And we are on the air. So good to see you here on this marvelous Monday, actually going into Tuesday. We see the British pound on high alert as inflation data is going to be released in just a couple of hours, but it's not stopping it from moving. I'm going to share my screen. We're going to do some live trading, pip and run style. And we'll probably do, thank you for joining me and being with me for the next couple of minutes. Next few minutes, let's do, and I'm going to share my screen, share a little sound there too. Okay, and we will share our screen and make sure that we got the right share going on too. New share, okay. All right. So we are looking at the British pound versus the US dollar. And so glad to be with you here today. And I actually took this count. This is a $50,000
let's do.
And actually did a little
challenge. And I'm going to share it
up pretty, you know, this scaled. Oh, there's a loss. I know someone was on the YouTube and said, "Oh, you got 2 losses, Greg." Yeah, 2 losses. Yeah, I know. I did 2 losses. Yeah.
My screen.
I might have another one in here.
Share a little sound there too.
Oh yeah, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 7 losses. 7 losses. Trying to see if there's any others. I got a loss here because I held a position and the swap interest crushed me right there. But anyway, our profit. Our profit is actually pretty good. You can see our profit is $168,782.59.
We will share our
$1,000 deposit.
Share our screen
and
make sure that we got the right share going on too.
What's 8 days?
New share.
8 days.
Share.
Okay. Anyway, that's
all right.
Past. This is the
so we are looking at the British pound versus the US dollar.
Okay.
And
make some more money today.
So glad to be with you here today. And I actually took this count. This look at minutes. Let's do
actually little
challenge. I'm going to share
there we go.
Pretty
there we go. So
you know, this scale,
we're
scale,
pretty good size pot.
Scale. I'm looking at the British pound.
Why British pound?
There's a loss. I know someone was on the YouTube and said, "Oh, you got 2 losses, Greg." Yeah, 2 losses. Yeah, I know. I did 2 losses. Yeah. My screen.
I might have another one in here.
Share the sound there too.
Yeah,
I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 7 losses.
Let's go to my market heat map.
7 losses. Trying to see if there's any others.
My Swiss Army.
I got a loss here because I held a position and the swap interest crushed me right there. Anyway, our profit.
First heat map.
Our profit is actually pretty good. Our
Aussie dollar and the
Kiwi
dollar.
Can see our profit is $168,782.59. And we will share our $1,000 deposit. Share our screen.
And it will.
And make sure that we got the right share going on too.
Calendar.
Okay. 8 days. New share. 8 days.
Earlier.
Okay.
Anyway,
that's all right. So we are looking at the British pound versus the US dollar.
2 a.m.
And
make some more money today.
So glad to be with you here today. And I actually took this count. Let's look at minutes. Let's do actually little challenge. I'm going to share pretty there we go. So you know, this scale, pretty good size pot. Scale. I'm looking at scale. There's a loss. I know someone was on the YouTube and said, "Oh, you got 2 losses, Greg." Yeah, 2 losses. Yeah, I know. I did 2 losses. Yeah. my screen. I have another one that shows sound there too. Yeah, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 losses.
My market heat map.
7 losses. Just trying to see if there's any others.
My like Swiss Army.
I got lost here because I held a position in the swap interest. Crushed me right there. Anyway, our profit
first heat map.
Our profit is actually pretty good. Our Aussie dollar and you can see our profit is up. $168.82.59. We will share our $1,000 deposit, share our stream, and it will. And I'm going to show we have to write share going on too. Let's count to 8 days. You share 8 days there. Okay. Anyway, that's right. So we are looking at the British pound versus the US dollar at 2 a.m. and some more money today. Glad to be with you here today. And I actually took this counsel. It's June, actually, until June. Pretty, there we go. So the scale, very scale, a good size. Hot, scale. So the scale. Someone was on the YouTube and said, oh, you got 2 losses, Greg. Yeah, 2 losses. Access to I know, I did 2 losses. On my screen, I have another one that shows sound there too. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 losses. 7 losses. Just trying to see if there's any others. Like Swiss Army. I got lost here because I held a position in the swap interest. Crushed me right there. Anyway, our profit, first heat map, our profit is actually pretty good. Our Aussie dollar and the currency, our profit is up. It's $168.82.59. We will share our $1,000 stream, and it will show we have to write share on calendar 8 days. You share 8 days. Okay. Anyway, that's right. So we are looking at the British pound versus the US dollar at 2 a.m. and make some more money today. Glad to be with you here today. And I actually took this counsel. It's June, actually, June. Share pretty, there we go. So the scale, very scale, a good size. Hot, someone was on the YouTube and said, oh, you got 2 losses, Greg. Yeah, 2 losses. Access to I know, I did 2 losses. On my screen, I have another one that shows sound there too. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 losses. 7 losses. Just trying to see if there's some others. Like Swiss Army. I got lost here because I held a position in the swap interest. Crushed me right there. Anyway, our profit, first heat map, our profit is actually pretty good. Our Aussie dollar and the currency, our profit is up. They cut rent and it will
You were watching me somebody else. And this is Dr. Greg McLeod. And I just got finished with a coaching call with my stage 1 with the step boxer. Ride a bicycle, start with right in park. Start with simulation practice. Practicing the market, practicing until you have a 90% win rate simulation. And once you have that 90% win rate, then we move to simulation. Make money in real life environment. Take what you learn in sports simulator, practice an hour a day. Practice makes repetition over and over. Practice makes permanent. Practice makes permanent. Practice absolutely makes permanent. So we learn good habits about the market, how to stop the limits, patterns over and over again. And develop pattern recognition. We actually see things happen in the market. Now, after the goal is to have 85% win rate, about 5% drawdown, and that will get you staff. Also have many of the product trading funds out there, and the program is pass those accounts where you scale larger account size, $1,000, $100,000, all the way up to like $2 million in trading accounts. You can't get the product trading accounts doing $500,000 or $600,000 on the challenge. I use 10% and trade all this money, but you don't have a strategy. They're not going to let you just like make money hard. All you got to do is labor and Trump and America's Got Talent, and I can win $1 million. You don't allow to pay this company. You can't play scale. You don't know. Yeah, you know what comes in makes it sound perfect. You can't make it business. And you haven't practiced, you haven't developed skills or strategies. So all you're doing is entering auditions like trying to go on American Got Talent and everybody's charging for auditions, but you don't have any talent. You don't have a system. Your system is your talent. In fact, the level of inspiration of developing a great school comes from the Bible, from the parable of the talent. And this rehearsal something in mind and thoughts about that. What that story was about. There was a man that was servant, and he gave him all the money, and he went away. What happened? One guy was 5 talents. The talent was on American Got Talent. Like a cool dog and cool rat, with several thousand pounds of gold. Right? The Bible actually says that they traded 5 and gave 5 more. That's 100% return. 100%. I just showed you over 400% return in that account, right? And I teach my students how to double their account or use the parable account to trade. Double their account. So then we got 2 talents, right? And they trade by what words trade in the Bible. So all you're doing is Bible. And the guy took 2 and he made 2 more. Double the account, right? 100% of the account. Now, and one guy got 1 talent, he buried it in the ground, right? The master came home to ask for an account as you were able to multiply your interest on rest, you're being conservative, you're paying for little. Now, right? Basically, this was like a pop trading challenge. The guy took 5 when he passed the challenge. So, if you're into this rest work, probably had 4 managers, right? The guy had 2 viewers, hey, little high five, way to go, guy. Just one, coming to my rest, great job, clear for next 20 minutes, great job. Okay. Fantastic number 3, step on it up. All right, so what you got? Oh, I do a hard man, we've got zone, hardest we've got, planted, here's your 1 challenge. Okay, you're a bank, you got it. That's the least thing we're calling, right? So, the guy didn't get trained, put it in the masters, and then took the 1 from the guy and gave it to the 1 who had 5 and went back. And I go, why take that guy and give it to this guy? He already has 10. Why did he give up with 4? Right? That's where most of the distribution, you know? Our taxes and stuff is like take from the rent, take from the grab money, give the people don't have money. That's no different, right? Word says, you have something around, so you have nothing, you don't have anything to live from, right? So that's what the guy that had 4, because he had 4, right? So that is opposite of Hey, how you too. I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna just teach you too, if you don't mind. You know, this is like a Drake song. The bottom of the top, now we're here, right? It's like Fibonacci from the bottom of the top. I'll remove it. I'll show you right here. Oh no! We haven't established. So I got an established low, I have an established high, so I'm taking my Fibonacci from that low to this high. Okay. What I'm looking for are areas of support, which would act as magnets pull price down. 20% retracement, we hit it from that. 38% retracement right here. And that's where I have my price target, right? And so that number 1.766. So plus we wait here as well. Lots of things. So we're kind of oscillating right now. I'm trading kind of large side. I didn't start trading a large side. I actually started with 50,000 and scaled it up. Scaled it up by 158,000. And taking a little bit of a retrace here. A little up there. We haven't established. And so we take a dip in the downtrend, take a dip from the top to the bottom. Top to the bottom down here. Right? So what you're looking for is for price to stop at one of these dips. But in a downtrend, what we're looking for is these are Fibonacci candles. These are not Japanese candles. Right? What's wrong with candles? They're kind of messed up. It does charge you something. What's going on here? Exactly. Well, these are Fibonacci candles. And you know, there's a lot to be said. Steve Beason brought candlesticks to from Japan back in 1994, and I remember trading with just we had bar charts, and the bar charts were, they were very hard to read, hard to understand. In fact, you'll see what a bar chart looks like. But they were very hard to read. And then the candlesticks were like, oh my goodness, you know, the sentiment, different types of patterns. It was like, you know, bullish engulfing, and morning star, evening star, three black rows, all these diagrams. There's like 1,000 different ones. And they didn't know. Later on, the candles were called pocket watch candles, and then pocket watch candles are basically they smooth out all the noise. Oh wow, it's going up in the wrong direction. This is the 38% retracement. I think I might stop somewhere above that. See what it's a moving average. From that low. 4784. Okay, so I am down right now. From where I entered at 86, and now we're at 90. So 4 pips. Not 4 pips to 18 bucks and 4 pips. That's the thing when you're trading with more of a leverage. It's a dual-edged sword. It can work against you. It can magnify the gains as well as magnify losses. That's what you do. 5 to 1 leverage. Right? So this is what I'm looking at. We got the capacity
bought for rally against 38% retracement, ample over 200, so moving average. This looks like a liquidity sweep. It's like, oh yeah, we're not gonna do all this. We're gonna squeeze it out. Break the trend line and get back down. That is something we're looking at. And we're going to counter trend. This is basically like swinging into this sea of red. And so we see a trend line break and another opportunity to short this back down. Those are kind of scary. If you look at it, it looks really good here. Understand that this is a 1 minute chart. And the 1 minute chart, this is 27.90 right here. And my entry is 27.90. 4 pips. So it's only 4 pips, but it looks, that's the thing, 2 months. It looks trend line break. And, sometimes I'll do is if I get a color change, green to red, and trend line break, this is part of a color trading system that was really cool 6-week boot camp business. And, in fact, I had one of my students teach it. Living good. That's his name, right? So we have, he's in the boot camp, and he's like 7 years old, and I just love him. 100% trade business, $1,621 profit. I'm so proud of him. He calls his name, I know, that is so cool. Oh, this one's March 16th. That's my wife's birthday. Also the birthday of the corporation. I'll just back it in. So use the same system that I'm showing you guys. And so this is just 92 trades, 3 losses, press button, make money, repeat. So that was like taking a candy from 8 or screenshots from previous. So these are I took a recess process in stage 1. Stage 1 after 1 week, I'm so proud of you. This is awesome. Happy guy. Living good. Come on, bro. You have a name like living good? Living right? That's a great name. Great American patriots there. Oh, was I right? So I taking a trade? Yeah, liquidity sweep against the trend, 38% retracement. What do you say? Am I still hearing Mr. and Mrs. Silverfox? Am I still echoing? Oh, sound check. Somebody's still there. Anyone else there? Maybe my mom's out there. Mom, you still there? Oh, my mom logged off. Dang. Dad, are you there? You logged off too? After they sweep everybody out, break on through to the other side, break on through. This is live chat. How many messages? Any more chats? Oh, I can't message back. Hello. Oh, was that right? I taking a trade. I'm delayed, so it's really dragged on. Against the trend, 30 to 1. Thank you. Blessings to you too.
Mom's out there. Mom, you still there?
Let me know if you have any questions or if there's something you want me to take a look at or something. I'm here to serve, here to help. We have, come on, baby. Come on. Squat for me. There you go. That's it. Just a little pushing. How many of you guys push those orders in? Oh, there's a bag in the back.
Did that fix that? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Check. Okay. This is, you know what? I want to use another microphone. I'm gonna use my headset. Okay. That's probably why people wear headsets. I look like a helicopter pilot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This. I don't know if I unplug it. I don't know what will happen. Ooh. This. Where did you go to? Oh, I think this is my camera. I don't want to unplug that. Am I making money yet? Okay, I'm gonna switch. I have this, right? Really? Technology. Let me know if I'm making any money. Oh, it stopped? Hey. Okay. I just got your message. Okay. All right. See, if I had taken that on the break color change below the 200, that was a setup. That was a nice setup. I was kind of spooked out by that. I'm like, really? Come on. So we need to, let's see. Okay, so we have some old support back here. You draw your support on the wicks. So 2781 is a floor. But okay, this thing wants to see, it's got a little color change right there. You want to watch that. There's another color change right there. So, change back. So you notice, look, these are Heiken Eichen candles, HEIKEN space ASHI, right? And so they're smoother. I mean, look, red sell, green buy. It's pretty straightforward. And I'm a simple guy. I like keeping things really simple. I taught middle school and high school, and I have a lifetime teaching credential from the state of California. So I don't like things that are really complicated. So when somebody goes, do you know such and such? Like, because when I hear them, they go blah, 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 blah. You know, so most of my students find me slightly entertaining. Now, the spread, I had the commissions and the spread, $191 of commission. So I need more profit to even make break even. And I've like been in this trade way too long, right? Come on, retest the low. I mean, I could see this thing break down and drop, but I might just, oh wow, look at all $200 gross, but net 820 because of a commission, right? Yeah, another push down maybe. And what time is it? 12:41. Well, a big 1 o'clock candle. There we go. $108. That's a lot of work for $108. There we go. Pay me. Pay me. Boom. Boom. Booyah, right? This is how we do it. Really? Where am I? History or something? Oh, look, now it wants to like crank down, right? Don't ever chase it when it if you take profit out of the market and it drops, wait for the color change. If you're using Hakinashi, just wait, just like reload, right? It'll reload. That was a reload right there. That's where like a little like added more lots to it, but we want to wait for this to come up out of the water. Ooh, look at that. That was nice too, right? Come on. Come on up. 2783 by 84. 1 minute chart. Broke support. Support. Oh, these are really weird candles here. I know why I got it. Take that off. Ooh. Oh, okay. I need to go into properties and go to line graph, common, line chart. Okay, there we go. Ooh, oh, that was a nice long one. I got out there, it went down a little bit later. But that's okay, right? But ring the bell, make money, right? Okay. 2783. And you see, what we're doing is we're using the higher time frame chart as our compass. And the compass chart is almost like cheating off of somebody's paper. I know none of you ever cheat in school, but this is like we look over here, we see that it is in a downtrend. So we're better off taking sells in the direction of the trend, even though we could have made some money here. It would have been short term, but see how long it's spinning on the downside, just hanging there. The reds, they're more red than there is green, showing that the market is in a state of a downtrend. In fact, we have a little shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. And you know, I can sketch that out. I can sketch that. I know I can. Yes, I can. Okay, I'm going to sketch this out so you can see it. Because I have the tools, I have the technique, like Ghostbusters, right? So I'm going to take my pen, and this is our head, shoulder, head. That's a bearish formation. Shoulder, head. Really. Shoulder. Okay. And then our neckline, and then we look for push down. Okay. Head and shoulder pattern. Wow, we're really breaking down. Now you can do a counter trend rally. It's a riskier trade because this thing is like stretching down so far. Sometimes we get this thing to come up for air, and that can be a really quick trade for us. Okay, so I'm going to actually set up for the counter trend. And I want you all guys to yell, "Don't do it, Craig." Okay. See, tweezer bottom, small candle. Ooh, we're like, he who picks bottoms and tops has a smelly finger. But and then now we look for just a quickie, so we can get back to a 38% retracement. 27.86 by 3 pips. 3 pips like $1,500. $27. We're tremendously oversold in our oscillator. We're below the 200. We're outstretched. It is 1248. And usually we're about, there we go. Oh, we got a color change. I'm going to take, ooh, just say, Greg, don't do it. 38% retracement right here. And I thought we broke the trend line, but I think it was this blue line here. Well, that wasn't really the color change, but let's see. Maybe a little early to the party here. I know I saw a color change. It flashed. It's flashing. Trend line break, but trend line with the color was red. Let's zoom in on that. Okay. So we're having a kind of a bottoming pattern there. Trend line break red, not the right color, green. And I jumped the gun on that. Should I wait for like the candle to stay green and then another one forms after it? Then once you get another one, it'll stack. Green, 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 green. Wait. And my name is Dr. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University. What's this? This thing hopped over here. It skipped. Okay. Okay. Dr. Greg McLeod here. Pip and Run 2023. I used to pip and run 5 days a week, Monday through Fridays, on the Daily FX forums. I don't know, if you anyone out there remember. In fact, here I think here's my old logo. Was it was a self-portrait, a black man with a bag of money running, pip and run. Okay. Hey, are we making money? Not yet. Yeah, pay the commission. Yeah, pay the piper. Ooh, okay. We were so we have a small nascent uptrend. We would like our oscillator cross back above 20.
Yes. Oh, you said, so instead of switching from higher to lower time frames, you just have multiple charts. So you don't have to, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Being able to do that. That way I've got this kind of like 2D look on the screen. You know, I have a slight uptrend, but a slight downtrend, almost like a triangle that hasn't really resolved itself and look like it's that's not good. It color changed back red. So when it does that, I draw another trend line and it broke. This is actually would be probably an ideal sell. Usually we get down in this area, we see some I've got several other indicators on another screen, which are saying that we should get some type of a pop, a retrace in the next 9 minutes or so. Yeah, so you got a little blue arrow saying, hey, oh, it disappeared, right? Some of those repainting. Hey, look, if you follow these arrows, you make money, and the arrows disappear, right? Hey, Dirk, how you doing? My Texas compadre. And Dirk is a good trader himself. He's doubled some accounts. Dirk is a member. He's part of my posse. And we got some bombing action here. Looking for a move back to the 2786 or more. Oklahoma. We do some fishing. Now, Dirk, you know, we've been talking about mahi mahi, right? Did you see that giant mahi mahi that that Nichelle caught? Nichelle is my assistant, and I was supposed to go, but Greg forgot his passport. So guess what? They weren't letting him out of the country. Did you see that thing? The mahi mahi she caught was like a monster, and she caught a swordfish. Oh, oh, we're looking at the wrong. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, oh, here we go. Here we go. I know. Yeah. Don't have the picture of it. There's Michelle. She caught both those fish by herself. This is like 130-pound marlin. Pretty wild, huh? Here we go. Color change from red to green, trend line break. Let's make some money. Ah. Ooh, let's go. Go, 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 go. Oh, yes, indeed. And they took it to a local restaurant and cooked it up. She said she was going to catch 2 fish. And they said, well, you know, everyone says they're going to catch fish, you know, but no one ever really does. And said, no, she spoke her word. And so it was. The lady gets what she wants. Uh-oh. That was a quick, probably liquidity
on the liquidity hit there. What we do is we draw another trend line across the top. We didn't quite get to it, hit the 23% retracement, hit the 23 rejection, right? Rebound off the low and see if we break that trend line and takes us into that 38% retracement. So let's see that. Ooh, another new low, right? Okay, 27.82. Market makers suck. Okay. So we have a lower low in price, higher low in our ND. So let's see if this is gonna hold up. Again, this is a 1 minute chart. So I mean, we're down 28.80. We got at 27.85 and we're at 27.83. And we got about 2 minutes before 4 minutes before 1. So sometimes when the clock changes to the whole hour, then you get the algos, the bots. If price hits this level at 1 a.m. through this, right? Oh, and we pushed down from that. So that was 27.81. Our initial sell was okay, so we broke. So now we're down 4 pips there, and so we are going to one more shot. This is like a triple D. A liquidity sweep on the south side, 27.79 by 80. We're down. We're down. Are we down? Are we out? Okay, there's our double. That's what our price is saying. We have this extreme move, buyer stepping in. And actually, we had our trend line break from the south side. We got 3 green candles to show you how bearish this thing is, right? And we're at 79, and we are probably going to really looking at, we got 2 minutes before 1. I'm trying to hold out to 1 o'clock. Another big bar, 3 bars, and we are down 6 pips. When you're trading 50 lots, it's a lot. It's a lot different, right? Okay, 12:59. We can see if you get a 1 o'clock reversal. And that was a counter trend movement. I told you, I said, what did I say? I said, tell Greg, don't do that, right? Because sometimes you can pick up a really fast, and that was a fast move. We got a fast, yeah, we're gonna cut that. We're gonna cut that now. Okay. So we took a bath on that. And our initial short was the right move. Now we don't want to chase that. We want to see if we can get some type of another little batch of green where we can actually short that at a higher price. The moment you get something like this, you get short and then it goes right up. So we want to wait. $37.78. Because these guys are who got short, they're gonna take profit and start closing their trades back, and they're gonna reload, right? We should have stayed with the short. These see there's that. So you go, oh wow, it's short, man, bullshit gold thing. And you get this like one green candle, then it turns into 3 green candles. So let's see. We want to see enough trend move so we can sell it, sell high, buy low, and see if we can. If we broke that trend line there, this thing is probably going to come. It's going to come down further. You're in Alabama. Take me home, Alabama. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Yeah, my dad's from Highland Park, Detroit, but he grew up in Wilsonville. Wait a minute. You're not my aunt and uncle, are you? Because your story, Mr. and Mrs. Silver Fox, similar to my family. Okay. Would love to have a little bit of, give me some buy action here so I can sell you. Come on. Oh, okay, Sherman. Okay. Yeah, my grandmother's name was Kid. In fact, we're going to go to there's going to be a family reunion in Alabama early October. McLeod, Kid, Houston, those are my people. Wow. Yeah, my aunt Doris McLeod, and my uncle's still in Detroit, and he's 74. He's a dentist. Charles McLeod. He's in Oakland. Okay, we're not getting the bounce. I need a bounce. This thing is so bearish that I mean, we're bottoming here. So I don't know if 27.66. We got about 10 pips. Okay, I'm just gonna hold. I'm gonna keep my powder dry. It worked its way all the way down. Can you believe that? This is amazing, right? Let's see. So I'm looking for another pattern where we get these nice little, I mean, the counter trend. That's why you don't do counter trend. Hopefully you learn a valuable lesson. In a downtrend, I said, what we're gonna do? Short this. What do you do? Don't do that. Right? I was hoping for a quick hit, and when doing that, you miss the train because the short break on the south side was like beautiful. That was a beautiful move from 84 down to 77, big 7 pips down there, and it's not even coming up for air. Okay, not even. I know it's tempting me. It's like, come on in. It's like, no, I've broken my rules once and I got burned, so I'm just going to. $27.74 by 75. If you're looking for 10 pips, that was it. Houston Brummets. Okay, here we go. Oak Park, not Oakland, Oak Park. Yeah. So that's my uncle. And that's his practice. Yeah, that weather is pretty cold. My dad left, never came back. Like, come on, just a little bit. Yes, thank you. Where is I'm looking for? $74, $27.74 by 75. And we can look at some other stuff too. Oh, dollar yen broke 140, the 142 handle. And we can just, so this is why I do. If I go through the charts, I go through and look for, okay, like here, 1 minute chart. I mean, this thing is rock. Look at the rock. Look, that's red, little red, 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 boom, green, change, color change, right? Euro. And I just click and drag over. Or Aussie was dropping, right? Here's Aussie. And see, it came up for air. That was a nice shot short into this. The dollar is getting super strong. So Euro Aussie should be going up. Yep, there's Euro Aussie. The Aussie is getting crushed. Look at that. Oh man, so many nice trades that have passed already. And we go to the Euro CAD. Probably not. It's kind of like iffy sideways movement, but all the dollar pairs, dollar USD. Let's try dollar CAD. Dollar cash, yeah, heading back up. Inverted head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder, bullish. I mean, just totally trending higher. Look, little pullback, little red, and then boom, breaks to a new high. And we can take a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom. Now we're here. And so we're looking at 32.48. Need a pullback though, because if you buy at the high, it winds up dropping, right? Dollar Swiss is heading higher. And it's either your entries are right there, really easy to see. Like, come on now. If you entered on the break, the trend line, your stop's not even hit. But where I just went counter trend. Okay, like this. See at the counter trend, green. When you see green and a downtrend, that you should be like licking your chops. That yes, I want to get short on a break of the trend line. lines up your oscillator, lines up perfect. Boom, free money. But you guys are basically family. So you email me, greg@leadtradersu.com, and let me know how I can be of service to you. It's like Dirk's family too. Oh, actually, I'm coming back. I'm going out to Texas on Friday, Dirk. Oh, you're in big. Yes, sir. You're in Oklahoma on vacation. Okay, maybe you'll be back when you come back. Ooh. Here we go. Kiwi Swiss. Man, I never traded that before. Okay. We got a downtrend. We got prices rally off of a pivot though. Okay, so let's hit this as a setup. And what's going on here? I just need to see something. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we have a downtrend, lower swing highs, lower swing lows. We're a little oversold. Bouncing off a pivot. It gets kind of slow. We can look at pound CAD, and it's like pound is getting okay. So we have a downtrend, lower swing highs, lower swing lows. We do have a rising trend line there, and this looks like a good setup here. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. See how we went high, higher high, lower high. Like the three fingers like that. High, higher high, lower high. Red candle. Okay. Stop above the high. And I'm just gonna scalp it to the low. What's this? Okay. Try this again. This is pound CAD. Ooh, okay. It's needed to stay red. Oh, where's my stop? Where'd it go? Oh, 2 pips spread? Really? Okay, all right. Trend line break, color change. This should be pretty simple here. I think the spread, 2 pips spread, 902, 906. I might stop. I think it probably might stop too close. Okay. Ten pip stop takes it out a 10 pip stop is right here. So that's my 10 pip stop. So I'm gonna see if we can get 20 out of that. 20 makes it 80. 20 minus 70, 71. Okay. That's okay. There we go. Like, really? It's like, this is simple. It's just colors. It's just, don't you know your colors, Greg? Well, it's been I taught 3 classes today. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Okay. Come on down. Like Bob Barker, come on down. Ring the bell. Pay me. Gosh darn it, pay me. Come on. Oh, it's taking too long. Take it. It's just nervous Nelly, right? Oh my God, it's gonna move again, right? Keeps going. Guys still there? Nice. Oh, pound yen. All right, to the upside. Okay. Oh, pound yen to the upside. Look at that. You're on the. You are 50 MA. Ooh. Okay. I'm like, yeah. You bounce, trend line break. I'm looking for. Oh, wow. Listen, the spread on this thing is nuts. Really? A green candle after red? Okay. I have. I'm looking at. Maybe you're right, Robo. We're. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, we break 53. I'm out. I mean, this whole high right there. Yeah, we have color change in a higher time frame. I am beside myself right now. Okay. And I mean to hit that. What is going on here? Okay. I'll take this. And nope. Indicator list. Let me get rid of this. Can't see anything. Okay. Okay. Here we go. We use a Fibonacci expansion tool. And let's see if we can, oh, no, that's a trend line. I thought I grabbed Fibonacci expansion tool like this. And then take this. Okay. I can remember with that. And 100% expansion takes us to 131.38. Or we can just be kind of cautious and take it down to can we get down to the 100% expansion? 120. Let's see, 8150 by 51. I mean, it's kind of a toss up, like it may want to go higher. We have this 3, 4, 5, maybe. Oh, no, stop. It's like going against the Bank of Japan may not be a really good thing here. I've got some divergence in the higher time frame. I think the pound CAD was like that. I think that was a money play. I was just stayed in that one. That one was, yeah. Look at that. Nice. That was a nice entry. Red candle, drop. You're done. Reload. Because this is just getting started for a drop. And probably we'll look for price to continue lower highs, lower lows. So at least we would see probably 68.72, right? After this kind of run up. It's kind of counter trend move. $1:22 Eastern time, and we are trading. We're stocking pound CAD, pound yen. Seeing if we get another push. Finding resistance on pound yen at the 81.52/53 area. And now we're seeing some breakout candles coming out on the pound CAD, 69.04/06. And then 52.53 still holding on in the in pound CAD, 69.04/06. Push higher. We could 54/55 on pound yen. And we are down about 7 pips on that. Let's see if we get a reversal. I'm going to hide this. We can see high here. We take a Fibonacci onto the top to the bottom. We're sitting at that 38% retracement. And usually the 38% retracement acts like a wall of resistance. But we're not going to take any action until we get a trend line break and a color change. $50/52, 181.50/52 on pound yen. 50/52. And we're at 04/05. Whole number, round number resistance was at 0.0. And so we're backing off that 38. You see, like, let's put our Pitbull vision glasses and zoom in like Ant-Man. Oh, trend line break. Hit it. Oh, pound yen, 46/48. Hot dog. Chicken tracks. 1:25. Is that 1:25 a.m.? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Pound yen 51 by 53 again. We have our take profit in here. Our take profit. Oh. I'm gonna see if we can get back down to this area here. I think it was a nice spin of pound yen 52 by 54. I thought these guys were going to go together hand in hand. Now all the pound pairs move together. Pound yen is like it's a Japanese currency, like it's pound with a little wasabi. If you ever had sushi, that green hot horseradish sauce they put on the sushi, well, that makes it super spicy. And so when you put yen on anything, euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen, dollar yen, it makes it really spicy. And it moves pretty fast, like it's on fire. Pound yen is so spicy, they call it the Widowmaker or the. It's like riding a bucking bronco. Like, even though my sell is up here and price is down here, I'm still negative slightly. So if we're following this stair step pattern, lower swing highs and lower swing lows, the minimum target should be the old low here. And we have a really good entry. The dragon. Yeah. Pound yen is like a beast that you're trying to tranquilize. It needs more cc's of tranquilizer because it still has a heartbeat. Pound cat is falling. We're dropping, drop. 566.80 on pound cat. 169.00 by 02. We can break that whole number, round number support. We can break into the 90s. You will roll down maybe into the 80s really quick. 99 by 02. And we are cracking a banker's level, whole number, round number support. 1.690099 by 02. And we are coming on down. Bob Barker, come on down. You're the first contestant, The Price is Right. My price is right here. That's where the price is right you need to go to. Come on down. The water's fine. Put your toe in the water. Don't be shy now. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. She could go all the way for the touchdown. 47 by 49 on pound yen. Just catching up to pound CAD. Come on. And really, I wouldn't be trading 2 pound pairs, you know, like you're kind of like double correlated. There's 7 people online. Woohoo! Numbers getting up there. Thanks for showing up. Uh-oh. The color change. Warning. Warning, warning. $47 by 48. Let's say we had a double top on pound yen, and we should maybe get down to 41.42, maybe 41.38 or so. I mean, we could draw another trend line like that. And if we got red candle break of the trend line, we could enter a third set. $6900. Ooh, red candle break. And I need a close. I need like one more candle. Can I buy a vowel? B. There we go. $1,000. Dirk is saying, take it. Oh, come on now, really? Yeah, okay. Need to, let's see that whole number, round number, 00 area. We crack that, we'll probably have a really big, there's like empty space here. Plenty of room to run. Thank you. Dirk says, good catch. Go, baby. Whack-a-mole. Well, okay. Pound yen's trying again to rally. Pound CAD's in the money. 68 16899 00 01 02. Pound yen back above 50. 81.50, 1 by 52. There we have a trend line break, color change, red. New candle, red candle. Looking for an accelerated move to the downside. Wow, what's that? A shaggy mane of a horse there, right? Let's move that to a 5-minute, kind of clean that up a bit. There we go. A little cleaner. Ooh, 54 by 55, 55 by 56. Pound yen retesting the highs that we had earlier. New high for the evening, 56 by 57 by 58. We are down, we got in at 41, 81.47. So we're down 10, or down 12 pips. And it's now we're normally I don't trade two currencies at once, so my attention is kind of divided here, and trade live too at the same time. Nice. Okay. Don't do this at home. Like, don't smoke and smoke and drive. There we go. 55 by 57. And can I move my picture out of the way? I know I'm cute, but I'm blocking my price action. I can't see what's going on. Okay. 137. I'm going to drop. The pound cat should be, by all indications, should be moving lower. It's starting to slow down. This whole number round number, this like it's chipping at it. It's like don't break the ice or something, you know, remember that game, Don't Break the Ice? But it's kind of like trying to break, and it's the completely opposite direction of the pound yen. Pound yen making new highs with lower momentum, and usually that's a telltale sign of something, an impending doom, which Dirk knows quite well. It's the predictive function that usually tells us that the end is coming. It's the death and life of trend. $69.00 by 01. One spot 6900, round number, whole number. Just dancing on that line. You see it? Yeah. On the 1 minute. And I think we have news coming up. I mean, look at our economic calendar on our heat map. Heat map. My market heat map. Oh, battery's running low. My phone, okay. This is my market heat map and arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. Tells you what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, and what's not. mymarketheatmap.com, my top secret weapon. I had it programmed. I wanted to use it at the brokerage. The broker said, I said, people make money with this. Oh, we don't want to use that, Greg. But why? It'll help people. Well, I don't think we want to help people. We're trying to make money off people. Okay. Anyway. Because they're called brokers. That's what keep you broker. I get you. I figured that one out. Okay. So we have 8:30 news. I think we can check. I'm gonna check medium on the news, and medium well. That's a steak I had. Save and show more, refresh. Today is really interest rate decision is tomorrow. Okay. But today is tomorrow. Tuesday the 20th. Tuesday the 20th. Today is Tuesday. 7 a.m. They're expected to raise rates from 4.5% to 4.75%. And we'll show more. Oh, what happened there? Oh, it moved. What's going on here? It's broken. No. I need to get on the programmers of this. EK retail sales, show more. Right. No, Tuesday, yeah, we have this building permits. The interest rate decision is not going to be on. It's on Wednesday. Okay. So there's no building permits would affect the euro. And here we go. We're still thinking along here. 1.6900. We're up slightly positive on pound CAD. Pound yen still. We can take a look at pound yen really quick. And we can see that we are just dancing around this area. I was looking for a push down. I want to keep my Hakanashi. I just want to remove. I just want to remove. Delete. Okay. Delete that. Okay. So taking from here to here. Okay. We're at the 38% retracement. And we're just kind of like hanging around there. Or pound CAD's in the money. Let's see if it's. I might. Yeah, it's still dancing around there. We have multiple wicks there, and I'm going to remove these lines here so we can see what's going on. Right, and so we've got multiple hits at. Usually, the more it hits, the bigger the breakout. And they're just kind of wearing out traders, like tired, and then it breaks, finally breaks. Look for a break south. And the reason why, Greg, I'm looking at the higher time frame and I'm seeing lower highs and lower lows like this, right? And I'm looking at this as some type of a trend channel. If you can say that 5 times fast, trend channel, right? We got this trend channel where we rallied and dropped and rallied. So we're looking for a drop. And then our oscillators also curved and pointing down as well. And usually price will trade in the direction of the oscillator. So like the oscillator is pointing down, the price is going down, right? It crosses blue beneath red, and it's pointing down. Well then, and this is a 1 hour chart. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. I mean, when it crosses and goes, we have hours of downtrend. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, keeps going up 10 hours. And we're just starting 1 hour, 2 hour of downtrend, right? So we're just getting started. So if we can hold, we should see somewhere, even if we get half of the range, that's still, we can take a fib from the low to the high. And guess what? 50% gets us a 68.95, which would be pretty nice, as if we got this silly green candle that decides to show up. $145, and we'll give it another 15 minutes. I want to thank you so much for being on this call with me. And you'll head over to EliteTradersUniversity.com. I have a free income boost ebook that you can get if you haven't gotten it already. Also, there's a free masterclass. I think you've seen the masterclass if you know my story about Mark Douglas and the parable of the talents, if you're familiar with that. But love to have you aboard in our family. We have lots of fun. We just recently went to Vegas and had a great time with everyone. We opened up with prayer and we did trades and we did some mindsets and meditation and things to get our mindset straight for profit. And so that was a real fun time had by all. In fact, I think we have some pictures, I think. It was me and my daughters in Hawaii. Did the Hawaii thing. Gray skies in Hawaii. So where's our? Do we have any more Vegas pictures? Okay. Oh, probably the Las Vegas thing, right? In Las Vegas. I just don't know if he did something good there. Okay. I don't know where we have lots of students here. Vegas traders event, yeah, right. Yeah. So this is our group. We're in a mansion out in Vegas, and then we had students from all over the country, and we streamed we streamed to France and to Saudi Arabia, and so we had a great group of people that came together and traded with us, and so we have events like that. The next event is going to be in beautiful Cabo. Would love to have you join us for one of our live events, right? Very cool indeed. And our next event is going to be in Cabo, and that's where my assistant caught the two fish. She was actually scoping out our next trip. But so this is our students that got their completion certificates, which was pretty cool indeed. There's Joe. Joe is taller in real life than he is in the picture. Nitin, Northern California, Silicon Valley exec. Scoring big money there. And then the Garza's husband and wife trading and ministry work in beautiful Houston, right? Texas, folks, right? Okay, we are up pound cat, $1,000. I think I'll take it. Why, Greg? Why? Because I like making money, maybe. Ring the bell. I got this pound yen I'm hanging on to. But it is 1:49. I'm getting a little bit sleepy there. We got this one, but let's see what we have done so far. I got the terminal. So where is the history? Don't know much about history. Don't know much about biology. All right. Take profit. Let's move this over. Right. So yeah, more. Yeah, so we took a hit. We got some wins, some big wins too. Big small wins. So we made some money. And then someone asked me, well, Greg, I have losses, but I have lots of wins too. Well, I see. You got 2 losses. Yeah, I 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 got 2 losses. Yeah. Mhm. And if we would look at like a detailed report and say that, and yes, and then I know I probably my average is probably down, but I took a lot of trades, right? Took a lot of trades. Really? Control plus. There we go. Okay. That was a nice one too. Yeah, just trading size, right? So 93% profit trade, 93.30%. Short positions 22-1, total trades 209 with a 93% win rate, right? Total net profits 166,734.79. So, and I did that all in 6 days. No, less than that. When did I start? I started on 12th. I got floating loss. I got that baby. It's gonna float around for a little bit, but I think it'll come down. Right. I'm gonna hold on to it. Mhm. And the pound CAD though, I haven't traded pound CAD in like 10 years, and I was hitting that baby like bam, 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 right? And then boom, that counter trade warning. Okay. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for being with me today. And again, if you want to learn more about what we do, we go to elitetradersuniversity.com and register for a free call. I have a strategy call that you can sign up for somewhere. Ask expert. Is that me? Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's okay. This is a nice $7 call, but if you there's another breakthrough call that you can get for free if you would like to. Our calendar is open. Late Traders Live/coach, and I can pop that in the chat room somewhere. I find where the YouTube link is. I don't know where you guys are. I have too many screens and I can't find my way. I know. Yes. I can go to the chat. If I can find the chat room. Like I can't even get into my I'm broadcasting live, right? So I should be able to get into my 2 weeks ago. No. Okay. Can I get into my I can't find the chat box. I'm like searching. I must be doing something here. Content live. I'm coming. Hey, I see it. Is there a chat box? Can I get in? Will it let me in? Hey, I own this. Where's the chat box? I'm embarrassed. Technology, isn't it interesting? It's like I just want to get in my own room. Oh, I can click here, right? Yes. And there should be a chat box. Oh, I see it. I'm gonna type something. Woo-hoo. I was using my phone. My phone just died. That's why. Well, Greg, you were typing something before. Okay, Dirk's got to go. All right. See you later. All right, guys. Again, my name's Dr. Greg McLeod, and I do endorse this message. And hopefully, you'll join me tomorrow, and I can teach you some more things. So I'm blessed that you would ever spend your evenings with me, and so I wish you all the best. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.